Welcome to Hearing TV, I'm Stewart. Wax buildup is one of the main causes for hearing aids not working as well as they should because wax clogs up the sound outlet or the ventilation opening, resulting in a weak, distorted sound or no sound. So as a general rule, clean your hearing aids each day with a soft, dry cloth and make sure your hands are clean and dry before handling your aids. Don't use water, cleaning fluids, solvents or alcohol, as these could damage your hearing aids. Use the multi-tool if you've received one. Multi-tool brushes can be purchased from your hearing care professional if you don't have one or if you've run out. Schedule a visit with the audiologist at least once every 6 months to a year for a thorough cleaning and checkup of your hearing aids. If you have problems with wax buildup, you may need to schedule professional cleanings more often. Last week I talked about in-ear hearing aids, but if you have a behind-the-ear hearing aid or a BTE, do these things to clean it. Gently brush the hearing aid clean, then remove the ear mold from the hook for cleaning. Brush the ear mold clean, then use the wax pick or the wire loop to remove any stubborn debris. And finally, wipe down the hearing aid and ear mold with a soft cloth. This will help you keep your investment working for many years to come. Hearing TV is brought to you by Edgecliff Hearing and Mac Hearing, and more next week.